Okay, so you can see I'm having issue with my turbo boost sensor, spending and also current, and it's also having problem with my ambient temperature sensor. But when I came to check the wiring diagram, you can see after this socket, which is from the fuse box, they are yellow white. So I think that's the issue. So they are yellow white, and this is the sensor, and you can see the cables too, yellow white, and you can see the red. So let me test for the voltages and make sure all the voltages are okay on this wire. So you can see on my multimeter, when I plug in pin 1, it goes to 5 volts, pin 2 goes to 4.8, and pin 3 goes to 0. So that means when they were joining this wire, they interchanged the yellow white and white. So now I've dealt with the interchanging, and I have placed the yellow white to the right position. So the first pin, I have to get 5 volts, and you can see the 5 volts. The second pin, I have to get 0 volts, and I'm getting it. And the third pin, I have to get 4.8 or 5 volts. So what I'll do now is I'll plug it into the sensor, then erase all the fault code, then call it a fix. So after recycling the ignition, I'll erase the fault code. Erase the fault code and see the ones that will remain. So now the ones that remain is no more turbo sensor circuit high. So let me start the vehicle and see it to go off. Then that means this one, the sensor is faulty, so the client has to replace the sensor itself.